In this video, I'll be using group policy to deploy bookmarks for Firefox. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about installing policy templates to manage Firefox settings via group policy. Also, here you can find all the information about the policies and settings that I will be configuring and all the values that I will be using. And now I'll begin this video by going to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows Server environment. And here I will be creating my policies. I will go to Tools, Group Policy Management. I will right click on Group Policy Objects, select New. I will name the policy Firefox Settings. Then I will click OK. I will expand Group Policy Objects. I will select the policy that I created, and then I will right click on it and select Edit. And because I will be creating this policy for my computers, I will go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, Mozilla, Firefox, and Bookmarks. And as you can see here, we need to provide settings for each bookmark that we want to deploy. So first I will click on bookmark 01. I will enable this policy. For the title, I will type in Google. Then I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I will just copy the values from here to save a bit of time. For URL, I will provide the URL. And for the favorites icon URL, I will provide that. And for the placement, I will select toolbar. And that's it for the first one. Let's click on apply. Okay, let's configure the second one. The second one will be in this case for YouTube. So I'll type in YouTube. For URL, once again, I will go back to the GitHub page, copy the value from here, insert it here, copy, insert. For the placement, I will select toolbar, apply, and OK. Now the third one, let's enable it. And the third one is for Twitter. I will just copy the value. Let me remove the space from the start. Let's copy the URL. The favorites icon URL. And select the placement, once again, toolbar. And I will place the Twitter bookmark inside of a folder. So I'll call the folder social media. And that will be enough. Let's click on apply and OK. And that's it for configuring this policy. Now let's close this window. Let's go to details, and for GPO status, I will select user configuration settings disabled because currently this policy only has computer settings in it. And I will leave all other settings on default. Now after creating the group policy, we need to assign it to an organization unit that is holding the computers on which we want to deploy the bookmarks. In my case, the organization unit will be this one. It holds all of my computers. So I'll click and hold on the policy, and then I'll drag and drop it on the organization unit. Then I will click OK, and as you can see, the policy appeared in the list here and also in this list right here. And that's basically it. Now to test this policy, I will go to one of my client machines that I have here. I will open Firefox. As you can see, currently I don't have any bookmarks, only the default ones. And that's because even though we created the policy, we didn't give it enough time to update. So to update the policy, I will go to my start menu, search for CMD. I will open it. Here I will type gp update. Press enter, and now let's wait a bit. And the policy update was successful. But if I go to Firefox, you can see that I still don't have any bookmarks. And that's because for the settings to apply, we need to relaunch Firefox. So I'll close it, reopen it. And as you can see, this time we have Google, YouTube, and also the social media folder. And that means that the policy worked successfully. If I click on the links, they seem to be working just fine. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.